Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to turn on voice isolation on iPhone. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. So first of all, let me explain what happens when you turn on voice isolation. While you're on FaceTime or phone call, you can turn on voice isolation, which prioritizes your voices and blocks ambient noises, so that it makes your voice much more clearer while you're on a phone call. Now, to get this feature, you'll have to update your iOS to iOS 16 or above. To check if your software is up to date or not, go to your settings app, then scroll a bit down. After that, tap on General, then tap on Software Update. Then on this page, if you see any update or install button, tap on it, and once your iOS is up to date, you're good to go to the next step. Now on the next step, you'll have to call someone, so go ahead and call anyone from your contact list. And once you're on the call, go to your control center by swiping down from top right corner of your screen. Then you will see this interface. On this interface, you will see this option mic mode. Long press on it. Then this pop-up will appear. On this pop-up, you will get three options: standard, voice isolation, and wide spectrum. To turn on voice isolation, tap on the second option, and now the feature is turned on. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.